What's going on, people? You guys have to excuse me because I just woke up, so I still have crust in my eyes and all that. So after this video, I have to go take a shower. But woke up and I saw this video, man, of this minority vice chair, Georgia House of Representatives. This is a demon crap politician. And listen to what this female say. Now, she's a bad actor, man. This is what you call a bad actor, man, or actress. She's a bad actress. And this is that dog whistle that I talked about in my last video. This is the type of dog whistle that I'm referring to. And listen to the allegations that she's bringing against this dude that ended up being a Cuban. She thinks he's a white man. Now, I just gotta say, any politician that is this weak don't need to be a politician. How is she going to represent her district when she's this weak? Ilhan Omar took more attacks verbally than this woman could ever imagine. And she was only called out of her name, and the dude admitted that he called her lazy bee. That's all he said. And he happens to be a demon crap, a Cuban demon crap, which, according to him, he said that she approached him, which I believe it, because if you watch the video where she was confronting him, she was now aggressive because he's a little white dude. He looks like Freddie Roach, the boxing coach, a little bit, you know. And this dude, he's like a little tiny white dude, man. And she like towers over him. You can see where she's looking down on him. So you mean to tell me? And so he made her cry just by calling her a lazy bee. But I want you to listen to this bad actress and watch her body language. You can tell that this is all an act, and it started when the camera started. You know, it all started when the camera started. So if you're this weak, you really don't need to be a politician, right? But I want you guys to check this out and just watch her body language.
So you know what I decided? I decided to go live because I'm very upset, because people are getting really out of control with this white privilege stuff. I'm at the grocery store and I'm in the 10 aisle, the aisle that says 10 items or less. Yes, I have 15 items, but I'm 9 months pregnant and I can't stand up for long.
She snorted.
And this white man comes up to me and says, "You lazy son of a bitch." He says, "You lazy son of a bitch. You need to go back where you came from." And he says that. I said, "Sir, you don't even know me. I'm not lazy. I'm 9 months pregnant." He says, "You're ignorant. You're ignorant." And it hurt me so bad. I'm sorry, y'all, because everything in me wanted to just tell him who I am and how I know. But I couldn't get anything out. I could just tell him, "Please leave me alone, please." And my child is just sitting right there. He said, "Mama, why would he call you that? Why would he do that?" I can't even explain to her why he has so much hate in his heart.
This is what we've become. I even got real tears coming out my eyes, man, because it makes me want to cry, man. See, I feel so bad for her, man. She's a bad actress, man. She's a bad actress. And notice she only cut out what she wanted you guys to hear. This is all a part of that manipulation, man. They're controlling your emotions. Black people run on emotions, man, and you have to stop answering these dog whistles, man, because now you got dudes, man. This dude, he retweeted this, and he's talking about I stand with her. We need to stand with her. This is all nonsense. If you are a House of Representatives and you're this weak, you really don't need to be a politician. You don't need to be a politician because you're going to take a lot of hits from every direction, right? And this woman wasn't even threatened. He just called her a lazy bee because she gonna go in the 12 items or less line with a bunch of stuff. You know, and I know that's annoying because I know when I got a few things and I'm trying to get out and you got this person got a whole buggy full of stuff, man, it makes you want to say something. But I have self-control. I keep my peace. So she being a politician should have even known better getting in that line. Just like how y'all attack preachers and talk about how they should have known better, or you attack Trump to say because he's the president, he should have known better, so he shouldn't attack somebody when they attack him, right? She being a politician, man, should have known better to get in this 12 items or less with a whole bunch of stuff. Nobody want to wait for you. But I just thought I'd let you guys watch this, man, because this is exactly what I was talking about with the dog whistle. Now that Ilhan Omar came out, and she wasn't even this reckless, man. She wasn't. She handled it like a G and said she's still gonna harass him. But here it is, this black female that's been here all her life, and I don't know, she looks old, but she's more than likely younger than me, right? I'm 58, so she looks like she's probably in her 30s or something like that. But you could tell she hadn't really experienced nothing, man. And she live in Georgia. How could you live in Georgia and be this weak? Getting on camera crying, sending out dog whistles so people can come to your aid and talk about, oh, it's horrible. This racism just gotta stop. It's just so horrible because he told me to go back where I came from. That sounds like a Jussie Smollett type thing right there, man. What's wrong with these demon craps? First Jussie Smollett and now you. So, I hope y'all not falling for this. I hope you're not falling for this. And if these tears were real, which I don't believe they were, because I can manufacture tears. Actors and actresses do that every single day. But y'all gotta stop showing your enemy. If these are real tears, you gave your enemies more weapons to attack you. And see, that's why black people get attacked by ignorant racist folks, because you're sensitive, you're too emotional. So if they want to get you going, all they got to do, and that's why it's easy for immigrants to come here and control and manipulate you with blackness. They know exactly what buttons to push because you're too emotional and you let your weakness shine through. So you living in Georgia, you should know better, because a white man called you a lazy bee. Now you're going to get in front of camera crying, you know, sending out your dog whistle. So I don't buy this not one bit. And any person that buy this, man, and believe that this female is being truthful, something wrong with you too. This female got a mental issue, and it clearly shows on video that she showed the world she did this. So she might even get more attacks now, and even some threats that she brought upon herself. So feedback, tell me what you think. Till next time.